To use a 1-for-all gift card online at H&M, you will need to follow these steps. First, make sure you have a valid 1-for-all gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. Next, go to the H&M website and browse through their products to find the items you want to buy. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping bag icon and review your items. Then, click on Proceed to checkout and enter your email address and other details as required. In the payment section, click on Add a gift card and select 1-for-all as the gift card type. You will then be prompted to enter your gift card details, including the card number and the security code. The card number is typically 16 digits long and can be found on the front of the card, while the security code is usually a 3-digit code on the back of the card. After entering your gift card details, click on Apply Gift Card to add the balance to your purchase. If the gift card balance covers the full amount of your purchase, you can complete the order without needing to add any additional payment methods. However, if the gift card balance does not cover the full amount, you will need to add a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. It is also important to note that some gift cards may have certain restrictions or limitations, such as expiration dates or specific products that they can be used to purchase. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your gift card before attempting to use it online. By following these steps and being aware of any potential restrictions, you should be able to successfully use your 1-for-all gift card online at H&M. Remember to always keep your gift card details safe and secure to avoid any potential issues with your account.